myself Ashish, and today I'm going to teach you that how to create a database in MySQL. So this is the interface of MySQL Workbench 8.0. So today we are going to make a database with this MySQL Workbench. So this is the first interface of this Workbench. This is the local instance, and by clicking on this local instance it will direct us to the SQL query page. So there are various methods to create a database, and today we will use the most easy and simple method of creating a database. So uh, we just have to write a simple query like create database, and now we have to write the name of the database which we want to create. Like I want to create a hotel hotel database. And for finishing up the query we have to enclose this query with semicolon. So by running this, as we can see in the output section, it is showing the green that our output is successfully run. So as by refreshing the schemas we can see that we have created a database successfully. Now if we want to insert some data into this database, so we also can do this. So by clicking on this table, there is an option, table data import wizard. If you want to import some data from an external CSV file, like, so we can also do this. So by clicking table data import wizard, it will open an interface like this, where we have to browse our file from which we want to import our data. So uh, suppose this is the file from which I want to import the data. So by clicking on the next, it will asking for using the new existing table, or for create new table. So I will go with the option create new table, and now I have to name the new table name. Like, this is the my new table name, hotel reservation dataset. By clicking on the next, and this will show the interface of our CSV file. Like my CSV file have the columns like booking ID, number of adults, number of children's, number of weekend nights, and all. So these are the format of our data, or say column. Like booking ID is the form of the column, number of adult is the format of int. So by clicking on the next, there is two option, prepare import and import data file. Again I have to click the next. Now it is loading. The data is already prepared for the import, and now the data is importing. So we have to wait. Okay, this is done. So clicking on next. So as we can see, there are a total 700 records, and all are imported successfully. Now clicking on the finish. Okay, now again we have to refresh the schema. As we can see, there is table created with the name of hotel reservation, and there is an icon of flash filling the tables. If we click on this icon, the table is now successfully created with all of the data successfully imported. So this is how we can create a database, a table, and import some structured data into our table. Thank you.